Hi everybody, it's Amy. So we have some new file folders. All the new school stuff is coming out. 2 pockets on the inside, nice contrasting blue. We also have this geometric pattern. What I'm loving about the Dollar Tree stationery this year is that everything is able to be coordinated together. Your file folders with your notebooks, with your little dry erase boards. So here's some feathers. And take a peek at these guys because as you can see, this side is a different one than the one on the front, just a little bit darker purple. So not all of the 2-packs are the exact same folders, but obviously they go together. Got some gemstones. I absolutely love this so much. Isn't this so cool? I hope you guys get to see this in person. Got one for notes. Okay, so this one's the same on both sides. And then these are the new dry erase boards. Got some camo. They do not come with a marker, but they are a larger size. And then we've got the clouds with all the patterns. And then this is my favorite pattern, the plaid and the flowers this year. So look for that, guys. I put some in my last video. Got more flowers. Got the stripes, which are really nice. Trying to get it so the glare doesn't mess up the picture too much. And the last new one. Okay, so we have a couple more new candles. Ocean Mist, make waves and keep your spirit salty. That's cute. Coral Sea, salt in the air and sand in my hair. Oh, and actually, I think this one right here is going to be new as well. Marina Bay, the voice of the sea speaks to the soul. So these are cute. First time seeing at my store, gold. That's different. Also, you can spray paint them, but that's really cool. I love these candle holders. New item in my store are the personal care antibacterial wet wipes. You get a 40 count. They're pre-moistened, Avi. But yeah, guys, new item. Just put it on the shelves. They've got the little Blistex Lip Medex. And then I did find the squishies. They're back, the little minis. I went through a squishy phase. So cute. I think in my store so far it's 4 different designs. It's me in the daily. Then they have the little blue donut with the white icing. I'm going to try and pull it down here. Nope, not happening. Oh, but there's one right there. So there you go. Then we got a couple more up here, but I think pretty much the same ones. These are by the register at my store, guys. And then they have one of the Swanson homemade soup maker mix. I saw these at Stop and Shop for like 3 times the price of this. So I would definitely grab these if you can find them. 3.71 ounces. You need to add chicken and diced carrots and broth. It's a good deal. And then the freezer section has new sherbet orange, toffee bars. These are pretty much the staples, but I thought I'd show you guys because it is summer. Sundae cones, you get 2 in the box. It's cheaper than the ice cream man. The Sour Patch Kids, You get 5 frozen pops. We've got the strawberry shortcake. We've got some Twix bars. We also have the little pies on top. I've showed you guys a while ago, the little apple pies. Cool Whip, so that's a good deal for $1. Little cream puffs, those are good. I've had them. And some M&M bars. Ice cream sandwiches, you get 3. Orange sickles. It's a good deal, an 8-pack. Some more M&M cones. I love black cherry everything. So they brought these back again, guys, in both stores. I've seen them restock these. I think these are going to be a staple item here at DT, which is really cool. Pez and Lucky Charms and the Smarties. I'm going to show them again just because not everyone may have seen them, especially when it's full like this. Gushers, Tricks. I bought mine just as a novelty. I don't even know if I'm going to use them. Fluffy stuff. Work that crown, girl, work it. So they have these little hanging canvases, and they have 2 designs in my store. Believe in the Magic with the unicorn. They're good weight, too. They have little tassels. And they're hung by a little wooden dowel with the rope. So we have always had the Barbie detangler, but the one with the little crocodile, alligator, detangler spray is new for my store. And of course they have the kids body wash and bubbles by White Rain. And they have one for sensitive skin too. That's pretty cool. Guys, they have the Sharpies. This is an overbuy item or an overstock item, or I don't know. But they have pink and they have the orange now. I love writing in the fine Sharpie markers. Love, love, love it. They have the single one in fine and then the double pack in medium. I love a good Sharpie. Alright guys, so we're going to take a quick peek at a section I haven't showed you in this store yet. They're moving things around. So these bubbles were up by the front. So that's pretty cool because that means when they make space up front that we have lots of new stuff coming. So lots of new DT videos on the horizon. Has anybody bought any of these new cards they got? They're really nice. But this is the section I haven't really shown too much of in this store because it is small, this section. And you got to remember that the store's pretty much a lot retail space, depending on how much things sell. But they do still have some cute items. So if you do live in my area or you know which store I shop at, definitely wanted to take a peek at this section for you guys. They've got the rose petals. See, in like the big store, they don't have the rose petals, so it's literally a hit or miss by the store. Such a pretty pattern. I would use those for sure for anything, but for a wedding, really pretty. They have lots of these ribbons. It looks so much more expensive when they write on them like Mr. and Mrs., don't you think? And then we've got a few baby items. The bags, of course, you're saving a ton of money if you get bags from this store. You guys know I'm a big fan of their bags. I think everyone is, really. Coordinating tissue paper, and then we have some little cute paper kind of goodie bags. And then we have, these are so super cute, and would be so much more expensive at like Michael's. The little picks you can put in cupcakes. You can make like, put them on your little gifts, party favors. So super cute. I love these big giant gift bags for all those hard items that you can't wrap. Little treat boxes, like the little to-go boxes, are my fave. Centerpieces. They're quite a cute little shower. It's a boy. All right, guys, I think I'm going to end it. I'll show you these ribbons, and then I'm going to end it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure to give this video a big thumb up. And don't forget to turn on the bell, guys, because the bell is what tells you I put out a video. That pink one with the moon is my fave. It really, really matters. I know it doesn't seem like it does when the bell thing, but it does. That's how YouTube notifies you. Have a great day or night, everybody, whichever one you're watching.